Want to make a quick video here. This may be helpful to some of you guys out there. This is a 94 Ranger 4.0, but you know, if you have this style alternator, like 2.3, 3.0, 4.0, 302, something like that, even on the f150, this alternator right here come off a 93 f150, and I was having charging problems. I couldn't figure it out, and I replaced this is another alternator I got from the junkyard. Couldn't figure it out. First of all, right here in the fuse box, this fuse right here is your charging system. If I can get the camera right, I'm sorry. That fuse was blowed. I don't know why. I don't know what blowed it, whatever, I don't know, but it was blowed. I put another one in there. It charged for about 20 minutes. I went out and had some fun, and she died. And all battery was dead, wasn't charging. So I got to messing around with it, and I noticed that this is your voltage regulator right here on the back of your alternator. I suspect that was bad because it would charge it was intermittently charge. Goddamn. And it would charge just for a few minutes and then go right back off. So I'm suspect that was bad, and I had a bad connection here. As you can see, this clip is broke, and you put her down in there and see how it wiggles. It just loses connection. I believe it's lost connection somewhat and arced the voltage regulator up and burnt that up. So on the 93 f150, I got that other plug and plugged it on, and you see it has no slack whatsoever. And this wire right here runs right directly to that plug. I tested the voltage regulator. This one is power all the time. This is power. The green one is power with your key on. Yellow is power all the time. Constant 12 volt. So to see if you have a wiring problem or a fusible link blowed or whatever, just check your power here. Like I said, this is constant 12 volt, the yellow, and the green and red is 12 volt when you flip your key on. She does fine now. So there you go.